Stormboard. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Stormboard is a collaborative brainstorming and project planning platform, distinguished by its digital sticky note interface and robust template library. Key features include unlimited users on paid plans, real-time collaboration, voting and prioritization tools, task assignment, and reporting. It also boasts integrations with popular platforms like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Zapier, facilitating workflow automation. Stormboard excels in scenarios requiring distributed teams to ideate and plan together, specifically catering to product managers, project managers, and agile development teams. Its target audience also extends to educators and consultants seeking a dynamic virtual whiteboard. The platform's strengths lie in its intuitive interface, making it accessible to users of varying technical skill levels, its ability to handle large volumes of ideas without becoming cluttered, and the diverse range of pre-built templates that accelerate project setup. Reporting features provide valuable insights into team participation and idea generation trends. However, Stormboard does have weaknesses. Its pricing structure, while offering unlimited users on paid plans, can be a barrier for smaller teams or individuals with budget constraints, especially when compared to more basic, often free, alternatives like Miro or Google Jamboard. The visual customization options are somewhat limited compared to competitors, which might impact user adoption for teams that prioritize branding and aesthetics. Furthermore, while Stormboard offers solid export options, the formatting can sometimes require additional cleanup, particularly with complex projects containing numerous dependencies. While Stormboard offers a solid feature set, the decision to adopt it hinges on balancing the platform's real-time collaboration and organizational strengths against its potentially restrictive pricing and design limitations. Consider carefully if your team's needs around real-time idea capture and structured planning justify the investment, or if a simpler, more visually customizable solution would be a better fit. For teams heavily reliant on structured brainstorming and agile methodologies, Stormboard remains a strong contender, but a thorough assessment of alternative platforms is always recommended to ensure optimal alignment with your specific workflow and budget.